How to buy PIAI token on Meteora. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token on Meteora, click on markets here, as you can see, and you will be able to find it. Click on this pair link and you will be able to redirect to this page. So click on trade on Meteora and you will be able to redirect it to Meteora official website. So what you need to do here, as you can see, connect your wallet first. So select your wallet. If you don't find it, click on this little arrow to be able to expand this and find your wallet. So I will select the Bitget wallet for that. Click on connect. Now after you connect your wallet to that website, go back to this token page and copy the token address from here and go back. So here paste the token address, as you can see, and you will be able to find your token here. Now click on this, select one of these, select one of that has the more polls. So click on it, and here click or select one of these, for example this one. And now what you need to do, click on got it. So click on agree and let's go. So what you need to do here, click on swap and you will be able to find this page. Click on this switch from here, and from the top select the tokens that you want to buy. For example, this will be sold. Now here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now read that information and click on stop, and you will be able to buy this token on Meteora. So this is how to buy PIAI token. If you found this video on Meteora, if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.